Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm going to unbox a few things from BoxyCharm. And it says, BoxyCharm, express yourself. Already liking that? Wow. So what does it say? From the time Lorac was founded in 1995, the brand has approached makeup artistry with the concept of Meraki and mind doing things with soul, creativity, love, and devotion. This first ever artist edition palette was curated with selection of 25 of Lorac's most loved shades by artists around the world. 25 shades from neutral browns to glistening golds and soft mauves that blend effortlessly onto the lid and last without creasing. The retail price for this is $45 US. This is an investment. This is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is their cream blush. Specifically, it's called here the Silk Tone Cream Blush, and this is in the shade of a lovely peach. Yes, warm peach. You see what is that? Warm? I want to say peach. Yeah, very nice. So let's open that and see. I like peach. Roses, any kind of pinks are lovely too, but oh, the packaging here is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful packaging. And this is the cream blush there. That is lovely. Can you see that there? That's so cute. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's easy to open. It has a mirror. What? Yes, it does. And that is the shade. And it's a cream. Oh, yeah. Right away, it feels almost like butter. I will put it on, but I actually have a little bit of blush, but I'm just gonna put it on here so you could see. And I think it might be buildable. It goes on smoothly. And it doesn't look like there's sparkle on it, so that's good. It's just something simple and delightful to wear. And it has no scent, which is nice. What is the retail price on this, do you ask? The retail price for the Dominique Cosmetics Silk Tone Cream Blush is $22. Give your cheeks and lips a pinch of color. Irresistibly silky, this weightless buildable cream blush formula blends into the skin seamlessly and lasts all day long. Bonus, it contains hyaluronic acid. The package is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It says REN Clean Skincare. Brightens Dark Circle Eye Cream. Ooh, just in time for the lovely summer, so I can always look polished and awake and bright. Love that already. Have you heard of REN? I don't think I have. It's Clean Skincare, Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. This eye cream combines 95% natural origin ingredients, to visibly reduce dark circles after just 7 days, with an irritation-free formula suitable for all eyes, and bioactives to brighten, hydrate, and plump the look of the entire eye area. Formulated with elderberry flower extract, a zero-waste byproduct of the French perfume industry, okay, and glycogen, sustainably sourced via non-GMO corn from Canadian farms. The retail price for this, and that description, $51 US. Okay, so are you paying for the responsible sourcing, or are you paying because it actually produces what it says it may produce? I don't know, but $51. That's a little pricey. That is indeed a little pricey. So I'm just going to open this to see if I can. Oh, here we go. Just to show you what it looks like. And so from this container, we have this. Okay. And there's a pump, so that's nice. I'm just gonna see if I can do this real quick here. I will have to use this sparingly because for $51, a little should go a long way, and this should last me for a while. Oh, okay. That kind of squeegeed out, but that's how it looks. Looks kind of thick. I'm gonna remove my reading glasses here and see if I can apply it. Has like a lotiony smell, if that makes sense. It kind of smells like the lotions that, you know, you get in the local supermarkets. but I'm seeing what the brightening factor may be. So I thought that this was like translucent when it went on, but you could see how it is like almost like a concealer in a way. I kind of use concealers this way, that to brighten the under eye. But you see, yeah, that's interesting. So it doesn't go on clear. There is a little bit of substance to it. So I'm wondering how this would look on deeper tones. You know what I mean? I'm liking it. Like, I feel like I could put this on my nose too, because I tend to get, I mean, it's really for under the eyes, but if it could brighten up the area here where I get a lot of redness, that would be wonderful. Yeah, don't mind me. I tend to do some weird things with some products that maybe, you know, it doesn't specifically call for, but I just try it anyway. But yeah, it really works under those areas. Look at that. It really brightened. It really did. Wow. Okay, the next thing I have here is from a brand called Sandbar, and it's called Sandbar Beauty Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer. Ooh, nice. A sheer and creamy intensifying eyeshadow base that adds staying power and full pigment richness to your eyeshadow, resulting in high definition, crease defying color and long lasting wear. Retail price for this bad boy is $28 US, and that's the packaging right there, so you can see. And I'm gonna open it up. I don't think I have had anything from the company of Sandbar. Have you heard of companies like Sandbar? Let me know in the comments below. It's like, it's interesting to get things, try products from brands that you've never heard of or you never tried before. So it sort of looks like this. This is interesting. It almost looks like a chalk, like a piece of like with the teacher's chalk in the classrooms. This is interesting. Shadow Light Long Wear Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, so it sort of looks like one of those test tubes too, in a way. So I don't know if I should shake it or not. I don't know how to even open this. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Okay, so this is it up here. Okay, and it's sort of like a flat doe foot, like a combination of, and I'm just gonna put it here so you can see. Okay, it has a slight, I don't know if you can see that there, but it does have a slight coloring to it. But it's supposed to go on that it primes your eyelids, so. It has a slight scent, almost like plasticky, but it doesn't have a fragrance. It doesn't smell like flowers or cake, so that's good. That the piece that I did for this particular product just did not go through properly and it didn't record right. So I'm redoing this piece and dropping in this voiceover. This is the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara, an intensely black, ultra dramatic mascara. And it reads, it's a double custom cut brush, combs through and loads your lashes for the ultimate volume, lift and definition. Isn't that a sexy packaging? I just love it. It also reads on this card that this brand is new to BoxyCharm. Wow, I had no idea. Well, welcome Patrick Ta to BoxyCharm. The retail price for this is $29 US. Now, I just wanted to show real quick, if you wanted to know, what this custom double cut brush comb through looks like. So I'm just gonna show you the wand. Is it new? Is it revolutionary? Is it unique? Is it different? What is it? Da, 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 da. And it looks like a regular, ordinary applicator. Interesting. And last but certainly not least, this is from Shadow Moon as a reusable shadow shield. What does that mean? This is a silicone reusable shadow shield. Okay, I'm gonna repeat this. This is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. Oh, so it's a makeup tool. Gotta love it. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for eyeshadow and winged eyeliner for a perfect application. Yes! Somebody must have thought, this girl needs this badly. Yeah, I do. It doubles as an under eye cooler and to help soothe puffy morning eyes. So I guess you could put this in the fridge. Nice. Cool in the fridge, that's what it says, or freezer to depuff your under eye area. It's designed with a grip so no adhesive is needed. The retail price for this Shadow Moon reusable shadow shield is $15 US. Never heard of the brand, but oh so practical, yes. That it has multiple uses, I love it. And it gives like a little like instruction in the back, like shield, shape, and soothe. I don't know if you can see that there. Really cool right there. I'm really impressed because, you know, normally you see like a makeup sponge or a just overall like makeup brushes, which, you know, I never looked I always love makeup brushes. That's end all be all. If you follow my channel, you know how I feel about that. So this is what it looks like coming out of the packaging. It almost looks like something to eat, I hate to say, but this is like really, it's like the thinnest side of it. And it's very bendable, very soft. It's hard here, like, so I guess it's also fit in your hand. And I can see how you can really work that in and use it for your eyes and also for fallout when you put the eyeshadow on, and also for wings. And I need all the help I can get to give a clear, crisp, beautiful, professional line. So I'm intrigued by this, but it's made of silicone. Look at this. And it's like almost like a peach color, like a slice of something. It's interesting. I wonder if this will catch on. We'll see. And that, my friends, is the BoxyCharm Premium for the month of June. What do you think? Did you get something similar in your premium box? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining on my latest BoxyCharm unboxing. See you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.